In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Safari to home screen. If the Safari app has disappeared from your iPhone's home screen, don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. Safari is a built-in app and it can be removed from the home screen but not uninstalled. We'll bring it back in just a moment. Start by heading to the app library. To get there, simply swipe left across your home screens until you reach the last page, then swipe one more time. You'll see the app library with categories of apps and a search bar at the top. This is where every app on your device lives, even if it's not on your home screen. Tap the search bar and type Safari. You should see the familiar blue compass icon appear in the results. Once you see it, touch and hold the Safari icon. A quick menu will pop up right next to it. From that menu, tap Add to Home Screen. As soon as you do, iOS will place Safari on your home screen automatically, usually in the first available spot. That's it. Safari is now back where you can access it easily. If you prefer, there's another simple way to place it exactly where you want. Instead of using the menu, you can touch and hold the Safari icon and then drag it from the app library directly onto your home screen. Release your finger when you've positioned it where you like. This is handy if you want it on a specific page or in your most used spot. You can also move it to the bottom row for quick access if you keep essential apps there. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see Add to Home Screen in the menu, that usually means Safari is already on one of your home screens or inside a folder. In that case, swipe through your pages to look for it, or use the search bar on the home screen by swiping down and typing Safari to highlight its location. If you share the device or use screen time restrictions, make sure nothing is hiding Safari from view, though in most cases it's simply tucked away in the app library. Once Safari is back, you can reorganize your home screen at any time. Touch and hold any app until the icons jiggle, then drag Safari wherever it makes the most sense for you. When you're done, tap Done or press the side button to stop editing. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully restored Safari to your home screen and set it up for quick access whenever you need to browse.